they lost everything. Not from a fire, not from a robbery, but from a solar battery explosion that could have been avoided. Though they didn't lose their lives, but they lost their peace, their savings, and their trust in solar power, all because of one simple mistake anyone could make. In this video, I will expose the hidden dangers of solar power no one is talking about. Dangers causing fires, injuries, and wasted money across Nigeria. But don't worry, I will also review exactly how to avoid them so you can enjoy safe and efficient solar power. So stick around to the end of this video. It could save your life and that of your family. Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Insight with Ike, where we make tech simple and safe for you. Let's get started. First is fire hazards. This is the #1 risk with solar power in Nigeria and is usually caused by cheap cables or wrong connections. Here is what happens. Under a scorching Nigerian sun, cheap cables get extremely hot. Their insulation, the protective layer, melts, exposing live wires, and when those wires touch, boom, next is fire. Here is 4 reasons cheap solar cables burn down houses. #1, inferior insulation. Fake cables use low-quality plastic that cracks under heat of the sun and our acidic rain, exposing wires. #2, low temperature resistance. Real solar cables can handle over 90 degrees centigrade high temperature, but fake ones make like butter on a hot roof. #3, flame retardant. Good cables resist fire, but fake ones burn like petrol. #4, overheating from poor connections. Loose or undersized wires overheat, melt, and start fire. I've seen shops and homes destroyed because of this. Always buy certified solar cables. Look for UV resistant and flame retardant labels. Danger #2, battery explosion. Next up is battery explosion. This isn't a movie scene. It happens in real life and is terrifying. Here is the science. Batteries generate heat when charging. If they overheat because of poor ventilation, that is, no flow in and out of air, gas gradually builds up inside. Pressure rises beyond battery casings, and battery explosion becomes the result. Remember that family owner we saw earlier at the beginning of this video? His battery wasn't ventilated, and this happened. Thank God they noticed the noise and took off before the explosion. So how can you avoid this? 1. Use a well-ventilated battery box. 2. Keep batteries away from heat sources. 3. Install a temperature sensor if possible. For example, this shop owner in my street in Abuja acquired solar power through a certified installer, and here is a well-structured installation that captured every detail to avoid hidden danger occurrences. Don't learn the hard way. Danger #3, electric shock. This one is deadly serious. Electric shock. Did you know 100 volts of electric current can kill? Never let kids near exposed wires. Here is the hidden danger. Solar panels are always producing power in daylight, even if your inverter is off. A single panel gives 30 to 50 volts, but a full strength 600 volts. And these shocks are worse than AC. They lock your muscles, making it impossible to let go. Shock risks you must avoid. #1, do it yourself installations. Unless you are trained, don't touch solar wiring. #2, no poor grounding. Ungrounded systems can electrocute you. #3, exposed terminals. Always cover battery terminals. Please hire a certified solar installer. Your life is worth more than saving a few naira. This one hurts your wallet. Wasted investment. That German panel sold in Lagos, probably fake. Here is how fakes drain your money. #1, fake panels. Claim 300 watts but deliver only 150 watts. 40 inverters. They keep shutting down, wasting power. #3, degraded batteries. They die in 6 months instead of 5 years. You think you are saving money, but you are burning cash. Always buy from trusted dealers. Check reviews and ask for certifications. Biggest myth: solar is install and forget. Wrong. Dust alone can draw solar power efficiency by 30%. No maintenance, your system dies early, batteries degrade, and you are about to paying for NEPA. Here is what you must do monthly. #1, clean panels with water and soft cloth. #2, check wiring for damage. #3, monitor battery health. A 10-minute cleanup can save you thousands in repairs. Danger #6, no solar charge controller. This little device, your battery's bodyguards. Without it, your battery overcharges, swells, explodes, and it just costs 15,000 naira. Then why risk 200,000 naira on a new battery when 15k can save it? Here are the solutions and myth busting. Number 1. Solar is installed and forget. First, it needs monthly checks. Number 2. Any electrician can install solar. It is not true. Hire a solar specialist. Number 3. Generator wires work for solar. That's a very big mistake. Solar cables are different. So, which might shock you? Comment below. If this video saved you even ₦1, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend going solar to save lives, properties, and savings. Check my affiliate links below for trusted solar products. Stay safe, stay informed. See you in the next video.